Yeah, that's gonna be a problem. Here is the dilemma. This water goes down pretty deep and these ruts are very massive. Normally the road is not this bad. Last year we didn't go through and grade it. It had started to slightly rut up. We probably should have smoothed it before fall, but it wasn't bad. But what rutted it up was maple syrup season. Really kind of killed it. Because we were running the tractor back here, back and forth. I don't know. It's a catch-22. I don't think this is gonna dry up on its own. Shoot. There's one thing that I could probably do. I really don't like the idea of doing it, but I think I can do it. One thing that I always forget about this pump is that it doesn't have a lot of sucking power, so your suction hose has to be really short. And I did it reverse-wise, where my discharge hose was short and my suction hose was long. I mean, this isn't crazy long. It's probably like a 20-foot hose, maybe 25 foot. Nothing insane, but I still just can't suck that far. And this thing is really hot. I'm really hoping I didn't burn it up, but I mean, all of it's pretty hot. I can't even unplug it right now. So. Yeah, even if this took me just a couple of hours to bucket out this water, finish sucking it out, I still have 4 more areas, a little bit smaller than this, to do. So realistically, it would probably take me a good solid week just to drain the water off all of this. So I think the field's gonna have to take one for the team. It will rut this up, but it's not a nice smooth field anyway, so. And then I'm just gonna focus on the area at the very end. So what I can do is just drive around that side right here and sacrifice part of the field and then come out way down there. Unfortunately, that area is underwater too, so I'm gonna have to bucket that into the ditch and the pond that's on the sides. detailing, but with this new tractor, I have not had much luck angling the draw arm. I don't know if it needs to be greased or I'm just not strong enough. Well, it's not too bad. It's a lot better. It's not perfect. It's a lot harder to do when it's muddy because it still wants to bite down a little bit too hard. See how it pushed that down a little bit more? I'm gonna come back through on the way back to the house and catch that chunk right there and that chunk right there. But it's a lot better. It's at least safe for me to pull hay equipment. Now if it rains and I drive the tractor through here again, it's gonna be another disaster. But today's goal wasn't to fix the row, but to make it drivable for the hay equipment. So that's a little wonky, but I can't fill that in without the rototiller. I'll try my best on the way back through. But really it should just be like really worked on pretty solidly. As long as there's not any giant lumps to have to hit with my hay cart, this should be pretty good.